open a new era of innovation. Galaxy AI will reshape the technology landscape with Galaxy S24 series. Truly the phone of the future.
Galaxy AI will help you connect and create in new ways. The Galaxy S24 series offers real-time two-way call translations.
Speech to text, no assist, just like that.
Samsung is committed to open collaboration and innovation.
How can AI help unlock new ways to search?
Circle to search, a simple gesture without switching apps.
Decide whether you want to allow online processing and full functionality of AI.
Galaxy S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom, powered by an all-new Pro Visual Engine.
Nightography and spacesuit?
With a quad telecameras, a new 5x optical lens, and a 50 megapixel sensor. It also simplifies photo editing. Generative AI opens up the possibilities of what you can create. Filling the void, move an object, generate background.
You can turn high-resolution videos into slow motion with a simple long press. Quick share across more devices.
Oh, wow. That was fast.
Powered by an intelligent, state-of-the-art MPU, CPU, and GPU, more immersive, making your gaming experience feel realer than ever.
Samsung Galaxy's toughest metal yet.
Corning Gorilla Armor.
It's our most exciting, most innovative, and most intelligent one yet.
Galaxy AI, an entirely new era of digital health. Galaxy ecosystem can help you make smarter choices every day, always evolving to the next level.
Thank you.